Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A beautiful EP3 in the house. And as you can see, oh yes, K24 Frank. Still on the K20 cam. It's got some modifications we'll go through at the end. But it's time to get this one up and running. Love this car. I think I start all these sections with I love this car.
Yeah, you probably do actually, yeah.
But I do love them though.
Yeah. Well, a bit of a backstory on this one. We had a...
Bit of a backswell.
Backswell, yeah. We had did a track day at the start of March, didn't we? And this young man was on track with us, and after a few laps started getting a noisy bottom end. So that was the end of the K20.
That was the bacon cobs.
Yeah, that was the bacon cobs that did that, yeah. So that was the end of the K20, so he limped it home, and pretty much that was on the Saturday, and then on the Sunday he got the engine out and he'd got himself a K24 ordered, and he was on the way to building it back up.
Doesn't mess about.
Does not mess about. So within like a week or so, it was back up and running with a K24 in it. Yeah, so a K24 Frank. K24 bottom end, obviously he's modified the oil pump, gone for it. If you know how you do a K24, there's no point in going through all that. Used his head obviously off his original engine. Chose not to put cams in there, just stick with the standard K20 cams. And just pretty much swap everything over and dress it up as it was before. So Tegiwa 70mm, 4-to-1 manifold, the RBC inlet manifold, bigger throttle body, Dynodaze induction kit, K24 bottom end with a K20 head. So sort of as cheap as you could build it, basically.
Yeah. Fitted some ejectors, don't we, and a Dynodaze fuel rail.
Yeah, we fitted the RDX ejectors and we fitted the Dynodaze fuel rail, and then started tuning. I think it's done really well, to be fair, for the mods that it's got. I think if you had a solid fab manifold, a solid fab 3-inch exhaust, I think with a nice set of cams
or
in
LA
there,
Fab, there are other
there are other fabrication companies, but yeah, a good exhaust now for this car and a set of cams in there, and I really think it would break some proper power. But it's made some good power. I think at 257 brake where we finished today and 221 at the wheels, I'll be really happy with that.
Yeah, it'll go like stink.
It certainly will when you look at the power it's made over the previous setup in the K20, for sure. Yeah. When you compare those graphs, there's a good bit of power and torque, even low end, there's a good chunk there, but top end it really has made some power, ain't it?
And it revs out to
8,000. I've revved it out to. We made peak power. The K24s generally make peak power around 7.5, 7.6.
Yeah, it has on there. So.
Yeah, so I mean the ones we've done previously have as well. So we rev them to 8. I don't really see the point in revving it much more than that. You've got a lot more. You've got more weight in the piston itself. So you know, you don't really want to be revving it up there, and also, you know, no oil squirters and things like that. There's fors and against for that. You can read into that whatever you wish, but I just generally go with that if you're revving 400-500 RPM over peak power, yes, probably it would rev to 8.5 if you wanted to, but what are you revving it for?
Yeah.
No reason, basically. I think 8,000 is fine on the K24
Sweet.
setups.
Okay.
I mean, obviously, if you revisited it and you had a set of cams in there and it was still making power at 8,000, I'd say rev it out a bit further, for sure.
Yeah, so you're not revving it out for the sake of revving it out?
Yeah, but in this particular instance and in others we've done, they've generally done by about 7.5, 7.6.
Sweet.
Right, should we have a look at that graph?
Let's do it. So graph, as you can see, we're revving out to 8 now, as Richard explained. But power right the way across there. Really happy with that. It sounds amazing, and I'm sure it goes pretty well. So there we go. That's our finishing point. If you can see that, 257, 221 at the wheels. Thanks ever so much for getting to this point in the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we will see you back for another video very, very soon. Peace out.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.